So now question number 6. I am reading out this question. In appreciation of a social improvement completed in a town, a wealthy philanthropist decided to gift Rs 750 to each male senior citizen in the town and 1000 to each female senior citizen. Altogether, there were 300 senior citizen eligible for that gift. However, only 8 by 9 of the eligible men and 2 by 3 of the eligible women claimed the gift. How much money did the philanthropist give away in total? So they want to know what is the total amount of the money that the philanthropist have to give. Okay, so now we'll solve this question. So in this question, it is mentioned that total number of citizen is 300. So let take that number of male citizen is x. So number of female senior citizen will be 300 minus x, right? After that, in this question it is given that only 8 by 9th of male senior citizen has applied for that gift. So 8 by 9 into x and each male senior citizen will give is eligible for 750 rupees. So this is 750 is multiplied with it, and 2/3 of the female citizen claimed the gift. So 2/3 into total number of female citizen and 1000, which is the amount to be given. So if you solve this equation, you will get this. After that, this and this will be cancelled out. This will be the remaining amount. So this is the answer. I think one more zero is there in the answer, but this is the correct answer for this question. If you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe. And please stay tuned, because here we will make the computer science videos of every topic in thorough manner. Please stay tuned, and thank you for watching.